if this isn't the consequences of my own actions. This mug vibes. Okay, so I saw this top on Pinterest and I thought I can make that. So I made this knit top. Cute, right? But there's two problems with it. So I think I'd be happier if I just took it apart. Let us begin. You're always so helpful. Anytime I'm doing anything, whether I'm doing this or on the computer or anything, literally, he's always sitting directly on top of what I'm doing. Unfortunately for present me, past me did an incredible job weaving these ends in. Oh, I finally found the seam, thank goddess. I'm done. Okay, let's wind these. Okay, so I actually have no plan for this. I'm thinking let's hit YouTube. I'm a bit worried because I don't love the flower, but let's just see what happens. I just hope this video doesn't turn into 6 minutes of me frocking projects. Oh, her hook's much smaller than the one I grabbed. Oh, you're going too fast. Crochet flower tutorial, very easy. Got it. Got it. Got it. Chain 3. And chain 1. So why not just chain 4? Okay, I did it. Now I'm just gonna make one more. Took a lot out of me, man. I feel like last night I was ignoring my frustration, but today is a new day. So I have these two babies, and I think my plan right now is to figure out the dimensions that I want the top to be. The lesson that I've been moving through, which is so metaphorically perfect with this top, is the importance of consciously destructing things in our life that are no longer serving us. The things that were built for someone who you no longer are. Destruction in order to make space. Space to rebuild that which is new and more beautiful. For those that are a lover of tarot, this is your tower moment. Those towers were built on the old paradigm, and it's time to go. And when you are the one who chooses to knock down those towers, rather than them being knocked down by an outer source, it is far more peaceful for you. It's like consciously choosing to take the lazy river rather than the roller coaster. Okay, let's attach the flowers. Okay, we are finished with the front, and then here's the back. When you are the one who chooses how and when those towers go down, you feel far more empowered. And with that empowerment, you can transform rubble into new towers. Towers that embody your highest self. So what things in your life do you need to rebuild from the ground up? Because they're coming down no matter what. And it's time for you to be the master builder of your own life. Oh, it's done. Okay, cool.